Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw Peppa Pig. First I am going to draw Peppa Pig's face. Draw with me kids. Now I am going to draw one beautiful leaves hat for Peppa Pig. Now I am going to draw Peppa Pig's body. Now I am drawing some small leaves in her dress as well. Now I am drawing her dancing legs. Now I am enhancing the picture by drawing some zigzag pattern in her dress. It's time to draw her hands. Great! Now I'm going to draw Peppa Pig's nose, eyes, mouth and cheeks. Great! Now let's enhance our picture. Now I am using baby pink color for Peppa Pig's face. Now I am using bright pink color for her cheek. It's time to color her dress and I am using red color first. Now I am using orange color. Now I am using bright yellow color. Now I am using sky blue color. For small leaves, I am using light green color. Purple color. Now I am using green color for her head leaves. Let's enhance the leaves. Now I'm going to enhance the picture. Great job kids! Our Peppa Pig's picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.